Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I got a little bit of stuff I got for myself. This is 12 p.m. Studios. I got their glasses from Janelle. I don't know if you could capture it. So I've been following Janelle right from when she used to she said on YouTube nearly. So I guess she released sunglasses. I want to show you guys. Hold on. Wow, the packaging is nice. So wow, it's nice. I got the Milan glasses. Look at it. This is the case. This is nice. This is how it comes. Look at it. Wow. This is very nice. Comes in a little bit of pouch. Let me show you guys. Wow. I love the shade of glasses so much. Okay, let me put it on. I hope it's... How does it look? This will be my glasses for the summer. How does it look? Does it look nice? Okay. I put on the glasses. This is her, Janelle. I really like this girl. And this is the name. A tortoise. Milan tortoise brown. It's really nice. I like the shade of glasses. This will be my summer sunnies for the summer. Weather is so good today. It's so sunny outside. I went to get my kids. Everywhere is so sunny and hot. It's time for the sunnies and all the brief. So how does it look? Does it fit me? I like it. I like the shade of glasses a lot. I don't like black glasses. I just like the shade. All my glasses are in the shade. So I'm going to show you guys another stuff I got in the mail. The orange box. This is my first orange box ever in my life. I've never ever received any orange box. So I got this from Fashion File. So this is Hermes. I got their sandals, the dad sandals that came out. Was it last day it came out? I got it from Fashion File, but the person that sold it has never worn it before, so it came brand new. So this is it. I got in size Euro 39 because I'm in size Euro 39. That should be like a US 8.5. So this is it. It was just brand new when it came. So it came with everything. The two of them, of course. And what else? It came with their Fashion File dust bag, and their, they put a little bit of gift authentication card from Fashion File, and that's it. So this would be my sunnies for the summer, and the sandals will be my sandals for the summer too. I'm summer ready. Let's plan some trips. This summer we are going away. We're enjoying ourselves and leaving. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I just said I should pop some little unboxing I got in the mail. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Please subscribe and follow me. I follow back. Okay. Take care. Stay beautiful. Bye. Love you all.